Look at that. Hey, back again. And I was happy to see that the Air Claw 1 made it up to Just Mopar Joe. I should say down. So that's really good. And he only had to do just a little bit of work to it. I guess he'll show you probably in one of his upcoming videos. But I just wanted to, for those of you who think that I'm just like Mr. Benefactor, well, no, I didn't do it just for free. Just Mopar Joe had something in his possession that he thought maybe I could use, and he sent it up to me. So Joe took care of it, took care of me, and let's take a look and see what's going on with the stuff that he sent me. Because I might still put it on the old you-know-what. Going to Sykeston the next few weeks, I've got to do a few things to the car. I don't want to be traveling over the mountains and having the thing crap out of me. Yeah, I know it's a Chrysler, but let's take a look. So I'm going to put the stuff right here on my rollabout milling table. In case you don't know, that milling machine, the mini milling machine, is bolted down to one of these Harbor Freight. It's a Yukon rolling around unit. It's got drawers and cabinets. So it's great for that application, for this little machine. So let's see what we got. The box, though I'm not going to show it to you. The box looks like it's a test box for the paint that he used on that red 65 Cornet. It's a good looking color. I like it. Okay, so what do we got here? We've got a nice PPG. It's a mixing cup, and it's got the, I don't know if you can see that. Take it out. Take it out. It's got the choke coil in it. The little coil that sits down inside of the manifold. And well packaged with care. Let's see. Okay. And look at that. Yeah, the whole thing looks brand new. Look at that. Now if my heat riser spring only worked that good. Alrighty. So we've got that. What's next? Oh, I like these kinds of boxes. They're overstuffed. They're overstuffed with good Chrysler goodness. What do we got here? And it's kind of warm again. This is Labor Day weekend, so the shop's kind of warm. And supposed to get rain this week. Oh, well, that's a good old AFB. Look at that thing. Holy smoke me. Look at that. Now that's something else, because maybe it is. The secondary is not quite open anyway. Let's see. Oh boy, this thing needs to be rebuilt, but I think it'll work. We'll see. That's got a lot of time on her. One Carter AFB. I think they came off of 65. Let's see, 65 383. There's one more thing in here. Boat anchor. Yes, sir. Every hot rodder in the world hates these cast iron manifolds. But you know what? That's what the car would have came with from the factory. So Joe knows I'm one of those guys that likes factory stuff. Joe, you're really kind of overpacking something that's so dirty. Dude, I gotta clean this thing up. Okay, now here's an interesting part about this, the 4-barrel intake manifold. Now, you know, why don't I go out and get myself an aluminum for when I just finished making the guy an aluminum 2 1/4 inch spacer? Because it's not a race car. It's a cruiser. If I put it on there, the extra 40 pounds isn't going to bother me. Well, I lost that much last year. Okay, so you may be able to see this fitting back here, this vacuum fitting. This car had power brakes. My car does not have power brakes. This will just get a plug in the manifold. There it is. It's a little bit of a spread bore. You can see it right there. So that's got the skinny mounts. Let's see. I wonder if my other AFB would fit on that thing. Let's see here. Now, here's an interesting part. I'm almost done. See how this takes the inside? So that's why they have these double holes in these old AFBs. Where the original one only has, I can get it off there. See, the original one only has 2 for the front and the back. Well, there you have it. The different applications are going to require that. So these older ones, yeah, you definitely want to have that. But this looks like this will work. Now, I think what I'm going to do is, let's see here. Yeah, it looks like it's working. That actually opens up. Yeah. I can set that one aside and put this 625 on top of it. I've already got all the proper linkage. And this thing's rebuilt, so I could probably just slap this puppy right on there. Alright. Although I may grind these out a little bit, make sure that they don't cause any problems. It looks okay to me. Oh, wait a minute. There's one more thing I have here. Oh, what do you know? Mr. Spacer is back again. Oh, does it not work? It doesn't work on this one. Oh, too bad. Well, would have been nice. Well, I don't like plastic on my car anyway. That's it for now. See you next time.